Yes, for James. I'm back with another video. If you watched my last video, it was on the dash cam unboxing it. Now we're going to actually install it in my 2016 BMW 535i. First things first, the tool that they gave you, if you see my last video, this right here is like a panel remover. Well, kind of pries things up. You want to take this and split this right in here between this. Kind of get her in there. I know it's a little weird, tough spot, but you want to get her in. You want to split her all the way through. You see how I split? Oh no, I clipped her. Yeah, you see, you want to split her all the way through. Yep. Split her all the way through. You want to take her off all the way. Boom. The original one. As you can see, that's the first part of it. Then you want to take your wires that you get, these little wires right here, and you want to connect that red one up to your top original red one right here. So for you to get that out, it's a little quicker together, a little press together. It comes right out. All right, once you get this little wire out right here, which is kind of a pain to get out. If yours has been there forever, you might need some pliers. Just saying. I don't know if you guys can see that right there. Yeah, it comes out this little port. All right, so what's going to happen now is you're going to have to use the stuff they give you from FitCam, where you had this piece at. You're going to have to use this one. So that should be able to go in there. Do that right. Fumbling it with there, guys. There you go. Boom, click. It's in there now. Make sure you're snugged. Then you have this wire right here. This wire is then going to connect. We'll plug this in here, this wire. Connect the other one, the original one right here, to this piece here. I gotta flip it over again. Yep. Yeah. So now this is all integrated together. The OEM is now integrated with the new setup right here, which goes in there. So that red plug now, and you kind of want to be able to tuck these all back in. Now you need to put this on. But for you to do that, you got to split this open a little bit. All right, guys. I was trying to put this in here, but you definitely want to split this in half. Don't worry, it's not broken. You need to split it, have these little tabs right here, because you're not going to get it in that way. So you split her in half. This is such an awkward position on like getting in here. I know this is super awkward, but you want to like be like right there. You want this to be like right up here. But you also, well, another thing too, you want to connect these together too. So these need to get connected together, and you can follow the thing right here. They should go right in. Boop. Goes right there. Then you want to like hide this as best you can. You know, you want to like hide a lot of this stuff as best you can a little bit. Just forget. Right here. Right there. Then you want to come across again. Hands right here. I'm going to get it all in together. Ooh, some of the wires might be in your way a little bit, but once you got all that together, you can connect these together and clip them like that. Boom, boom. And there we are. There we are. Make sure that's on there. Everything's clipped together, little tabs. And just like that, there you are. Your FitCam X is now installed in your 2016 535 BMW. And it looks like it's OEM, like it belongs there. Here's the original. The original right here, the pieces for it. And this looks like it belongs to OEM. Now I have a camera. It's all integrated in. And yeah. So yeah, like I was saying, now this is all installed, looks OEM, you know, it's literally looks just like it belongs there. The next video, actually, I'm actually going to drive and show you how this works because they have an app on here. So you're going to download the app, connect to your camera, and we'll get some real driving footage. So towards the end of this video, I'll show you what it looks like with their product and how good the quality is. So yeah, look forward to that, guys. All right, what's going on, guys? I just got finished my drive with the FitCam X, and honestly, the quality on this thing is amazing. Really good quality. So I'm going to play a little video up here of what I was driving. While I was driving, you can see what the recording is going on. 100% worth the money. It's OEM style, especially for BMWs. Looks really good. Really good quality, too. You can have sound recording it, too. The settings on there allows you to have sound with it, so if you need sound with your audio, everything like that. They have a collision assisting thing based on like when you're driving your car, if you like hit something, it'll go into like an emergency mode or anything like that. So, or if you hit like a pothole, you never know. 100% worth it. Like I said, I got the clip rolling up here. I recommend if you do have like a BMW, or they make it for Audi as well, other car manufacturers. Recommend these guys. I'm going to put their link in my description as well. Any questions or anything like that, you can go to their website. They can help you out any way possible. But 100% recommend buying this product.